morning, everyone. We are off for a ride. Our friend Chris has invited Jeff and myself over to his place. He lives out in Estacada, so we're heading out there, and then we're going to go for a ride. So looking forward to it. Not sure where we will end up yet. Oh, it's a beautiful, fresh morning. It's just a few minutes to 9 a.m. Friday morning, and as you can see, we're on our push-button bikes. Jeff's on the Super Hawk that you may remember I rode over to Eastern Oregon, and I'm on the Triumph Thruxton. I pushed the button on this earlier this week just to make sure that it would be okay, and everything's fine. Started first push. It feels so different to ride a modern, in quotes, bike. I know this is a retro bike and it's from 2014, but it feels completely different to the old vintage bikes. Would you believe it? There's a clock on it as well. Heaven forbid a clock on a motorcycle. There's the Colton Cafe that we've been to. It's a great place. You may remember Chris from the multiple rides we've been on, and he has that Egli Vincent Black Shadow, and I also came out here with Jeff actually to Chris's place a while ago to talk to Chris about his Egli. So that was a great video. Please take a look at the link in the description below if you get the chance. It sure is lovely out here. Really feel like you're in the countryside. And here we are at the beginning of the ride from Estacada. We're going to follow the Clackamas River and head straight to Detroit Lake. So we should get there for about lunchtime, I think. It's 9:45 now. We're going to head into Ripplebrook. Cool bike of Chris's. It's a 300, would you believe it? It goes really well. It's got a very nice balance of being lightweight and just powerful enough for what you need. Certainly around here. Certainly in the twisties. Oh, I remember this bit. be coming up to a year from that ride, that epic ride with Bruce and Pam. And they're doing it again this year. Unfortunately, I can't make it because I'm heading down to the rally in Quincy. Promised I'd go to that. But it sounds like they're going to have a wonderful time again. So it's about 50 miles from here, I believe. Should take us about an hour and a half on these roads to Detroit Lake. And I've not been there before, certainly on a motorbike. I think I passed it a few times in the car on the way back from Bend in Central Oregon. A tremendous amount of loss of all these forests, trees, it's amazing. I remember there being a lot of subsidence on these roads. Watch out for the potholes in the shadows. There are a couple of big ones, I remember that. That was the big one. Oh my gosh, that was a nut slapper. I don't know about tag slapper. Oh my gosh. I've been waiting for that bump and I still couldn't avoid it. I was preparing for that the whole ride over here. It's like blind, you can't see it. I should think by now Jeff will be feeling a little uncomfortable on the Superhawk. I know I was by here. Oh God. Oh bloody hell. Oh jeez. Oh. Boy, wobbled a bit there, so did I. Oh. Well, I must say there's a lot to be said for pushing that button there and just going. It's so easy, so comfortable, relatively, on this bike. And just lots of power. Brakes work fantastic. Again, all relative. They are very good brakes on this bike though. And everything works. Got a speedometer, got a clock, fuel gauge as well, that's something. Although I think you're ready to get off before long on this bike, in which case it's fine. I think we will be coming back a different way on the way home. Oh, what's that down there? Deer. Deer, 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 deer. Just saw one cross over. heading back home now, guys. I hope you enjoyed these few clips from our ride in Oregon, and I'll see you again next week.